Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I wanted to pop on here on YouTube and just tell you why I am going to send back my very sought after Gucci belt. A few days ago I posted a video on Instagram stories showing this belt. Many reached out to me and asked me the reason why I am sending back the belt. And I thought this is the perfect opportunity for me to pop on here on YouTube and speak to you again and make a video, because I haven't done a video for a really long time, and I thought, why not making a video on that. The reason why I am going to send back this gorgeous belt is not because I don't like it. No, I actually love this belt. It comes in a brushed gold. If you are considering buying this belt, you have seen this belt a few, probably 1,000 times here on YouTube, Instagram and everywhere. This belt is very popular, very sought after, and I wanted actually to buy this belt 1 year ago, and the belt was sold out everywhere, and it was really difficult to get your hands on that belt. And I bought the thinner version, the thinnest version. The reason why I bought it in thinner version, because I know myself, I don't want to, the bigger version is very pretty and it looks really great on other people, but for me, I thought it is a bit too much in your face. So I went for the thinner version in size 18. I'm now in my third trimester, so I'm very pregnant, heavily pregnant, so I can't really show you how this belt looks on me, but I knew my size from, as I said, 1 year ago when I went to the store and tried the belt. So I know that my size is 18. But before I get into the reasons why I am going to send back this belt, I wanted to show you how the belt came. I ordered the belt on the Net-a-Porter site, and I have to say the belt came in this giant box, and it just came in a dust bag, but it didn't come in a box. And I was, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I was very disappointed, because if I pay the price, I want to have the full service, I want to have everything with the belt and the box as well. So I contacted Net-a-Porter and they told me that they received the belts like that, and so they are sending the belts to the customers like that, just with the dust bag. And then I thought maybe these belts, because they are so small, they don't come with a box. But I was not sure. I contacted Gucci store here in Vienna and asked them, and they said no, all our belts come with boxes. So I thought to myself, even if I really wanted to keep that belt, I would, have that belt, I would send that back to Net-a-Porter and go to the store and buy it, with the box, because then I could, I can store other things maybe in the box, or even the belt in the box, in the original box. So this was one thing, but this is not the real reason why I am sending back this belt. I'm going to send back this belt because of a few reasons. First of all, I am really trying to be very, very mindful with my purchases. If I purchase an item, especially an expensive item, it has to be an item that I am going to use for, years and years and years to come. I don't want to, I love trends, don't get me wrong, trends and fashion is such a beautiful thing. But to be honest, I think, first of all, I'm just being honest here, I can't afford to follow every trend, it's just so expensive. And the other reason is I try to keep, my collection of anything very, very small. So I have to be very, very conscious and very careful of things that I let into my collection. For example, with a thin belt, I am, looking for a thin belt. I will need a thin belt in my collection, in my wardrobe, and I wanted this belt to be a nice, really high quality belt that I can wear and use for decades, you know, not just for a few years or a few months, probably, because this belt has been around now for such a long, you know, has been on trend for such a long time. I'm afraid that it goes out of trend very soon. So this is one reason. The next reason is, you know, I really like the look of the belt. I really do. But this belt is very well known, you know. I posted that, as I said, on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me, because you are missing a lot of postings, you know, one post per year. No, but I am going to be a bit, you know, I really want to be more active on Instagram. But at the moment, I don't post much, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, anyway, I will link my Instagram account below, so you can go and have a look. Many, you know, people who even are not into fashion and, you know, brandings and all that jazz, they notice this belt. Even they notice this belt, and they notice this is from Gucci. And I was really surprised, because, you know, some of my friends don't care about brands at all, and they even noticed this is a Gucci belt. And yeah, and then you know, it made me thinking, I love high-end, but I don't want to, I don't know how to describe it. I rather have, you know, items with a subtle branding, you know. And this brand, this item is not subtle at all. And because it is very popular nowadays, everyone knows where it is from. So I rather have something that is a bit more subtle. So this is another reason why I'm not going to keep that belt. So now I'm thinking, you know, because I love luxury goods, and I am considering to add a luxury belt into my wardrobe. And I was thinking maybe I should get a belt by Hermes, not the H one, because again, that one screams Hermes as well to me. But having said that, the more I see that belt, the more I really like it. But still, I'm not going to get that belt, I think. I'm considering the Kelly belt, Hermes Kelly belt. And, you know, the thinner version of it. And if I find a nice picture, I will post it, I will insert it here so you can see. So this is one option, you know. And let me know if you know any subtle, nice, you know, high-end brands that I should be looking into. I would really appreciate that. So at the moment, and I am going to make this purchase in a few months when I'm not pregnant anymore. So let me know if you have any suggestions for me. If you love this belt and you are considering buying this belt, and you have, you know, a big budget for fashion and are not worried about trends, go for it, because the belt is really pretty and very nice and good quality and all that. But for me, I am going to send this back, as I said. So I hope you could take something out of this video. I'm not gonna keep you much longer. Thank you so much for tuning in, and take good care of yourself, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.